Hi there, I'm James Thomas and I'm the CEO of GS Engineering System Solutions. We're building 5G at sea. We've built 5G buoys and we think they're the only real solution for maritime connectivity that enables a safer, more secure, sustainable, smart operation at sea. I was really fortunate to be sailing in a race called the Fastnet. The Fastnet's a race from the south of England near the Isle of Wight to Southern Ireland and back to Plymouth. We're racing with two of us on the boat, and the engine had failed, so all the electronics had gone, so all the navigation systems had gone. When we realized we had no electronics, no nav systems, but our phones were still perfectly capable of doing all the things that we needed with our main boat, it went, well, why don't we have comms out here? And I think when I got back to land and fast forward a few steps in the journey, we recognized that actually it's not just guys with leisure yachts, it's people in a lot of different circumstances where there's a lack of maritime communications. I think my advice for people trying to run new startups and get into the telco industry is two things. You're going to fail in your first idea, but just have a great team around you. With a great team, you can succeed at anything. It doesn't really matter if you've got a bad idea, because you go and validate that with customers, that hypothesis, and you'll go around that circle at least 5 or 6 times. And in terms of working with telcos, it's really interesting. Most of the telco industry is massive, and it's so intimidating to look at from the outside. But actually, once you start to unfold it and start to talk to people and explain what you're all about, people start to go, okay, this is interesting. This is where innovation comes from. The telcos are really excited to get behind innovation and partner with the right startups.